now. Joining me on WION Newsroom, Adis Juneja will bring us all the insights and from the world of business. Nikita Singh will get us all the updates on the developments in tech. And Nathara Sasidharan will get us all the updates from the world of sports. All right, we begin by going over to Adya for the updates, for business updates now.
Well, thank you so much, Jyotsna. We have a lot lined up for you. But first, let's take a look at some market updates. Asian markets fell sharply as fears of a prolonged West Asia conflict pushed oil prices towards record monthly gains, raising global inflation and recession risks. The Strait of Hormuz tensions have disrupted energy supplies, sending costs of fuel, food and materials higher. Japan and South Korea stocks dropped over 3%, while global markets showed a broader weakness. Investors are now expecting tighter monetary policy instead of rate cuts. Well, Fed rate cuts are also affecting commodities. Now, gold prices rose on Monday as a weaker dollar supported demand, but gains were limited by rising oil prices and inflation fears. Spot gold climbed to around $4,528 an ounce, while crude surged above $115, intensifying concerns over prolonged high interest rates. Markets now see little change of US rate cuts this year, reducing gold's appeal. Investors are watching Federal Reserve signals very closely, with volatility expected amid ongoing geopolitical tensions. And finally, global airlines are raising ticket prices and cutting capacity as surging oil prices double jet fuel costs, threatening profits. Carriers like United Airlines and Cathay Pacific Airways are increasing fares and adding fuel surcharges, with some routes seeing sharp price jumps. Well, the industry's $41 billion profit outlook for 2026 is now at risk. Analysts warn higher travel costs and rising gasoline prices could curb demand, creating a perfect storm for airlines already battling supply constraints and economic uncertainty. Well, that is it in this edition of Business. Now for all the tech updates, it's over to you, Nikita.
Well, thanks so much, Adya. First up, DeepSeek's chatbot suffered a major outage lasting more than 7 hours overnight in China. Now, users began reporting faults on Sunday evening as access to the service was disrupted. The company's status page initially acknowledged the issue and later marked it as resolved. A further incident involving performance problems was subsequently identified. DeepSeek said a fix had been implemented and that it was monitoring the results. Some users reported being able to access the chatbot again, though it remains unclear if the outage has been fully resolved. Next up, sweeping job cuts across big tech have become an annual trend. However, the way executives explain these decisions has shifted significantly. Terms like efficiency, overhiring and excess management layers are no longer being emphasized. Instead, companies are pointing to advances in artificial intelligence as the primary driver. Now, in recent weeks, major firms including Google, Amazon and Meta have announced or signaled workforce reductions. Smaller companies such as Pinterest and Atlassian have also indicated similar moves. Now, companies say AI is enabling them to operate with fewer employees while maintaining or increasing output. A new survey in Switzerland shows overwhelming support for stronger protection of children online. 94% of respondents say minors should be better shielded from social media risks. 78% believe big tech companies hold too much influence over public opinion. Now, the study was conducted by GFS Bern for the Mercator Foundation. This comes as global scrutiny of tech giants continues to grow. A Los Angeles jury recently found Meta and Google negligent over harmful platform designs for young users. Swiss Interior Minister Elisabeth Baum-Schender has backed possible restrictions on social media for children. Now, the government is also working on new laws to make online platforms more transparent. Well, that's it from the world of tech. Now my colleague Athra would be taking you through some sports updates across the globe. Over to you, Athra.
Thank you so much, Nikita. Here are the top sports stories we're tracking for you at this hour. We'll begin with cricket first. Fakhar Zaman has been charged with ball tampering in Sunday's Pakistan Super League match between Lahore Qalandars and Karachi Kings. The incident occurred in the final over, with Karachi needing 14 runs to win. Fakhar Zaman, Lahore captain Shaheen Afridi and fast bowler Haris Rauf were involved in a brief discussion during which Fakhar Zaman and Rauf passed the ball between them. The umpire then approached Rauf and asked to inspect the ball. After consulting the square leg umpire, officials awarded 5 penalty runs to Karachi and ordered a ball change. The penalty proved crucial as Karachi chased down the target with 3 balls to spare. Fakhar, who has played 215 matches for Pakistan, denied any bowling tampering allegations during a hearing that was held immediately after the match. Another hearing is scheduled within 48 hours, after which the match referee will issue a verdict. Shifting our focus to the Indian Premier League now, the Mumbai Indians opened their campaign in style with a 6-wicket win over Kolkata Knight Riders. Captain Hardik Pandya won the toss and chose to bowl first for Kolkata. Ajinkya Rahane scored 67 of 40 balls, while Agrish Rajavanshi added 51 of 29, helping them post a target of 220 for 4. Chasing 221, Mumbai got off to a flying start with a 148-run partnership between Rohit Sharma and Ryan Rickelton. They comfortably reached the target with 5 balls to spare. It was Mumbai's first win in an opening match of an IPL season since 2012. With this, we have come to the end of the sports segment. It's back to you, Jyotsna.
Now, thank you so much, Tara, for bringing all the sports updates, and Nikita for all the tech, and Adya for business. Well, that's all in this bulletin. News and updates will follow on the other side. You're watching WION World is One. Stay tuned.